Hello friends, this is your friend Rahul from techblogcorner.com, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert your personal Pinterest account into business account. So stay tuned with me till the end of this video. Let's get started. So guys, what you have to do is once you log into your Pinterest account, just click on your profile icon and click on settings. Once you click on the settings, if you see this screen, just click on account settings from the menu and scroll down a bit down, and you will see these options. Just click on convert account, because this convert business account is going to help you to analyze your ad account and analytics. This is the difference you will see in your personal business account. You will get analytics, ad manager, audience insight, conversion insights, verified merchant, all these options in your business hub account. So it's wise to change from personal to business account. Once you click on the red button, you will see this screen. Just enter your details. Yes, I have a website. Enter your website name. Choose your region. As I am from India, so I am going to choose India as the region. Click next. What's the focus of your brand? So my brand focus is on the tech and gadgets, so this is not listed in this, so I'm going to select other and type it as gadgets. What is the three main goals that you want these settings to update anytime? So I'm going to select drive traffic to your site, create content on Pinterest to grow your traffic, grow brand awareness is my third choice for this goal. So describe your business. I am going to describe myself as a publisher or media company, because we are a blogger but we are also publishing content. Yes, I am interested in advertising. You will see this business hub dashboard in front of you, and these are the few options: publish your content, setup, billing, analytics, audience insights. Let's see audience insights. In audience insights, you will see your engaged total audience, age and gender of your audience, so that you can create content accordingly, location of your audience, device they are using to explore Pinterest, so that you can create your pin accordingly. You can check the benchmark of your audience with the total audience on Pinterest. So it is going to help you a lot. They are very transparent about their data. So in the overview section, you will see all the performance of your pins, and this will be a eye opener for every business account, because this is going to set your Pinterest calendar for the upcoming 3 or 6 months, what kind of content your audience is liking and they are engaging with. You can check the performance of your videos as well by going to video analytics, how much time they have played, and what is the outbound click. Outbound clicks are the clicks that you are going to receive on your website from Pinterest. This is the screen you will see when you click on create your pin. I'm going to create a pin for this particular topic, so I'm going to copy So I'm going to copy the title and paste it in this title, and I'm going to copy the description from my blog as well, just for the dummy version. Otherwise you can write by yourself as well. Just put it in the pin description. So we are crossing the limit by 237 characters, so I'm going to delete some phrases or words from this description. You need to add alt text that is going to help Pinterest algorithm to detect what this post is all about. Just copy the destination pin. Just copy the destination URL. And now let's upload the pin image as well, which we have created. This looks stunning. You can edit the pin by yourself on Pinterest. Once you upload the pin, just click on publish button. Bingo, the pin has been published now. You can see it now, how it is going to look like on Pinterest. This looks amazing. You can download the image of the pin. You can use the embed code to add this on your website, this pin on your website. That's all guys in this video. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.